Good morning. Today I'm going to talk about intermittent fasting. So बहुत से लोग आजकल intermittent fasting फॉलो कर रहे हैं. कुछ फॉलो करते हैं 8:16 का ईटिंग विंडो, कुछ फॉलो करते हैं 12:12, जहाँ पर 8 घंटे का ईटिंग विंडो रख के दे कीप द फास्टिंग फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ द 16 hours और मे बी फॉर 12:12 hours also they can follow the same. But in many cases people are not achieving the best results out of it because of the reason that they randomly choose the food items and the quantity of food during the eating window. So it becomes very important कि जो भी हम अपना ईटिंग विंडो का फ्रेम रख रहे हैं उसमें जो भी हम अपने मील्स को स्केड्यूल कर रहे हैं they need to be balanced enough. They need to be, the portion size here, the portion size should be controlled, and we can't randomly choose the food items also. So in case to achieve the best results out of it, it is very much required that you take the proper assistance and then only follow the intermittent fasting so that you can achieve your target goal of weight, and within less number of timings you can get the best results. Thank you.